So we today at the Dark Corner Classic Car Show in Landrum, South Carolina, and these cars are not even the meat. And right away we're hit up with a way better experience than the Bridgeway Cars and Coffee. We got an MK3 Toyota Supra. It's clean, manual red velvet interior with pop up and down headlights. And you got this Mercedes-Benz over here, this classic luxury car back in the day. If you were rich, this is what you owned. A pretty nice classic Mercedes-Benz 219. Got a Mustang, Corvette, another Corvette. Sometimes it depends on the car show. Mostly it's charity. You win a charity. Look, a GT500 showed up as well. GT500. Man, this person put way too much money in the V6 and you cannot touch it. Man, this thing is cheap. Come on. This thing is better. This is the 2SS 2013 6.2 liter manual Camaro. But at least the paint job on this has a nice pearl color on it, which makes this V6 Challenger really rare. Got a Chevelle. Well, we are in Landrum, South Carolina today, and this is how insane and big this meet that is held here, like pretty much once a year. Way better than the previous car meet I was at. We also have the Comet here with the V8. We also got this Chevy, clean Chevy pickup truck. Got another nice Chevy over here. We got the Galaxy 500 over here. Galaxy 500. Jump on it. Fortunately, it ain't closing. Then over here we have a 1965 Chevy Nova SS with a beautiful V8 engine from Chevy. This interior is clean, man. This Nova means business. I know when it goes down the road, it's gonna have some power to it. That's for sure. It's a beautiful car. Then we have this bright yellow 1955 Ford Thunderbird that's actually for sale. Don't know what the price is, but beautiful leather yellow interior, leather yellow all around. Looks cool. Not to mention we got a Chevelle SS over here. We got a 1957 Chevy Bel Air in black with the red top. Man, this car is a gorgeous looking car. V8, of course. Red interior as well, manual 5-speed. That's a clean looking car, and it has a speaker system in the back. Fun fact about this Bel Air over here, this Bel Air always comes up to car shows, and I think this is my favorite looking Bel Air. Just look at that paint color over there, that orange pearl, and the beautiful leather interior. That's a nice looking car right there. Original 1964-65 Ford brochure. Can you believe that?
It's sad that.
Look at that. We got a Camaro Z28 over here, and we got a Firebird, Pontiac Firebird over here. Z28 looks nice on the inside. Of course, you get V8s in both. They didn't have a 4-cylinder option back then. You get a straight 6 or a V8 depending on what you want. 61. So look at this, folks. This Pontiac Firebird cost somebody a little under $5,000 to buy this, and this is what it got you. This is with the paint options and the engine. That's what it cost you back then. It was bought out of Los Angeles, California as well. All right, folks, look at this 1958 Commer right here. It has a V8 engine in it. This is a really nice looking car. Love it. Commer Motors, Luton, England. So this is an English car, it looks like. Of course, you got this Ford Ranger, then you got a F-150 in this beautiful color scheme that you rarely see at all. Like, look at it. Look at this blue paint on it. And then the bed. Paint matched bed as well with the lid. Now this looks like a nice Ford F-150. This Chevy C10 will surprise you. This Chevy C10 comes with a Corvette LT5 engine. That's a massive V8 for this light pickup truck. So we also got a Pro Charge slash Supercharged Mustang 5.0. And that's a sleeper build right there if you want to consider that out of a Mustang. Love the paint color on it. It looks like a well taken care of car. We got more Chevy C10s and stuff and Silverados. These are already Silverados. These are the old school OG Silverados, and this one has a newer Vortec engine in it, the 5.3 that came in the mid-2000s Silverados. And you got another custom C10 Chevy over here with a Chevy 350 V8. Then of course we got to see this Chevy over here. Now this is the OG that you need to pay attention. Has LED lights, probably a V8, has turbo performances, could be turbocharged. So this is a sleeper definitely. And nice rustic antique look. Then we have another Ford with a Coyote powered V8 in there. Look at that. Now that's clean. That is a sleeper truck build. You're not gonna see an F100 like this ever again, probably. Of course, we gotta see a silver 1963 Corvette Stingray. Now this Corvette Stingray has a nice color on it. It's a really nice looking Corvette. Also over here we have a Ferrari Dino kit car. So I don't know what motor it has. Wishing it was a real Ferrari, but we get what we get because ain't too many people are rich in South Carolina, unfortunately, to own an actual Ferrari. This is only a replica. Then we also got a convertible Shelby GT 500 over here from 2007. A Z28 pulling in. Now this sounds nice. Really nice. So we have another Bel Air over there, and we got the K5 Chevy Blazer. This thing is clean. The Silverado Blazer, it is clean, folks. This is clean. I mean, this is something you don't see every day. But check out the Chevy 3100. This has a matte green kind of paint job. Of course, it has a V8 in it. Have to have a V8 in these. Beautiful, luxurious, clean interior, and has a custom leather bed cover. You don't see that every day. Let's not forget, we got another modern Firebird, pop up and down headlights as well. We also over here have a TRD Tundra, we got a Ford Bronco, we got a Willys Jeep, and we got this car with a 5.0 Mustang Coyote swap engine. A lot of Coyote swap engine cars today, and a few C10s as well. C10 in orange, C10 in, or a Ford F100 in green. And we got this Chevy Coupe, and we have this 1972 Chevy Monte Carlo, which has a nice blue color. We got a Chevy C10 in this ocean green color, in my opinion. Then we got also an expensive Ford Mustang RTR. These are expensive and hard to get by, that's for sure. Then we got a Porsche over here, an older school Porsche. This happens to be the Porsche Cayman S, which is not actually a bad looking car. I wouldn't mind owning this myself. The red Chevy Silverado 1500 is clean today, folks. Nice red velvet interior. Ooh, this is a clean truck. I can tell you that much. This is definitely a clean truck and a clean engine bay as well. Guys, this is a Plymouth Fury 2-door, and because this was fully optioned out, there weren't a lot of these builds, so he has a lot of modifications over here. Well, not modifications of what it actually came from the dealership. So he had like 1 of 1, 2 of 2, 3 of 6. So he listed all that he knows that came from the dealer at the time. So this Plymouth is actually really rare, and the interior on here is on point, honestly. The one thing that surprised and got my attention is the color scheme of this Chevy C10. This has a nice, interesting color scheme, and it has a Corvette motor in there. That's right, it has a Corvette motor. And the interior, clean as well. Very nice, taken care of interior, and the bed has wood grain liner on the bottom. This is a beautiful truck. Coyote 5.0 in a 65 body style Mustang. That's pretty cool. Bronco. That's a nice. All right, guys, we have a green on green Chevy Malibu over here with 307. Plus we have this 1977 Dimazzo Pantera. I think this Pantera is actually rare. This is a rare piece of machinery right there. I think it's the supercars of the 70s.
Oh, demon,
Yeah, we have not seen a demon in a while because nobody shows up with demons anymore to the car meets. But finally, a demon. This is a nice looking Chevy. I'm telling you, this is a nice looking Chevy right here. Big V8 engine. I mean, slant to the ground. That's a beautiful looking Chevy. Rare 4.5 liter V8 Infinity. Now this is a rare car right here. That's for sure. This is rare. Not canceled. Guys, I'm Eddie B. 2004 turn right. Okay, this particular package. Driving a temp in the 6 Series.